welcome back. This is our project files, QR code.js, QR code.js, style.css, and that index.html. Now let's see that. This is our website filled with HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We have user input field to get user data and convert it into QR code. We have different input forms, that for link, phones, records, app link, and message. So let's try. Type something and click on generate, and it will generate the QR code of the data. Now come back to the project, create a new folder, QR code app. Change directory to QR code app. Here we will create Flutter new project, QR code app. So in terminal, so run Flutter create QR code app, and our project is ready. Now change directory to the QR code app and open that QR code app with Visual Studio Code. Now here open that pubspec.html file, and here in the dependencies we will add Flutter WebView plus package. So type here Flutter WebView plus, visit that link, click on installing and copy that and paste it here. Now create a new folder, assets, in pubspec.html file. Check for this, uncomment it, remove this line, let that image to assets. Now back to the QR code directory, copy index.js directory and CSS directory to that newly created Flutter app and paste it here in the asset directory. Now click on Android, then build.gradle and change it min SDK version to 19. Now let's run that demo app. So open emulator, click on lib, then min file, and run the project, and it will run that demo Flutter app. Now let's remove that code, remove this comment and change it blue to orange, remove this line, also remove that title, and back to library directory, add a new folder, screen, to screen add a new file, home.dart, import material package, add a stateful widget, change that widget name to home screen, and here return safe area, and the child will be a scaffold, and the body will be container, and the child of container will be WebView plus. We will pass initial URL first. It will be of type string. So in string we will pass asset / index.html and add here constant. Back to home.dart file, and here we will pass home screen. Now let's build our project, and we are getting error, and the error is net error clear text not permitted. Back to that Android directory, click on app src, then main, and open that Android manifest.xml file, and add here this line and remove that upper angle bracket. Now let's terminate it And let's start debugging again. And it will build mobile app of our QR code generator website built in HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And our input fields are not showing. It is because we are rendering that input fields with JavaScript and we have not enabled JavaScript till now. So back to that home.dart file, add here JavaScript mode and JavaScript mode dot unrestricted, and in pubs.html file below that assets, copy that, paste it here, provide link to that JS directory and also to that CSS directory. Now let's try to reload our app again, and our input field will be shown there. Now the JavaScript mode is enabled now, and it render input field for every icon there. Open that style.css file, change that font size and try to reload, and that font size will be decreased. Now let's remove that debug banner. Back to that main.py file, type debug show checked mode banner, that will be false, and now it will be removed. Now I will remove that text and heading, remove that shadow and decrease the padding to P2. Remove that text also, and now let's try to refresh. Reload it, and now our QR code generator mobile app looks good. Now let's try enter some text here, then click on generate button and it will generate the QR code of that text.